There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hey folks, one thing I like buying is consumables. These are 4.5-inch metal cutting discs. There's a 15 pack. I paid like, I think it was $15 for, roughly $1 a disc. And this one was a DeWalt 5-pack. They were $11.99 at Tractor Supply, which is what, 5 of them? I don't know what the hell it is. I'm not a mathematician here. But I keep buying them and try them. So far, I bought DeWalt's at Runnings, a 10-pack. I think it was $14.99. So it'd be like, what, $1.49 each. And they were pretty good. I bought a pack of Diablo ones like this. And honestly, it was like, I don't know. Like I was trying to cut through a piece of metal, which the previous one I put in the grinder was this brand, DeWalt. And it cut through the steel like butter. Like it was just, not that you cut through butter with a freaking angle grinder. And then I put the Diablo disc on there, and it was just like, boom, like just, it wouldn't even cut. Like, I'm like, what is this thing? Got a piece of wood in there, and I figured these are not too bad, so I'll try them out anyway. So, bought 2 of them, test them out. It's a Tractor Supply, Porter Cable 15-pack, and a 5-pack of DeWalt's. Yeah, under like 30 bucks. Every time I go I buy a couple of these, because I always use them. I burn through them faster than I can blink an eye at. So yeah. Hope you like that, and don't forget to, when you're out and about, buy some gum for the kids. Kids like the gum. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'm trying to make some little short videos just to keep myself busy and in between doing stuff. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out the folks down in the bottom, and what was that? Thanks for, oh, I have merch. Unfortunately, right now, as of when I record this video, I can't even order merch for myself because they're out of stock in my size. So hopefully by the time this goes up, they'll have merch in everybody's size. And maybe somebody will buy one. I don't have to. I just make dumb shirts. So like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And thanks, folks. I have 100, at this point, I have 152 subscribers. I don't know how many are spammers, but 152 people watching my channel. Like, hey, that's pretty cool. So thanks for watching. And apparently I'm a tool channel. Adios.